Hello, in this video, I will demonstrate how to onboard data of employees for schools and colleges. To onboard data of employees, we need to create users as teachers and non-teachers. So as a first step, user need to log in with the credentials and click on admin applications. So by click on admin application, this page will be displayed. User need to click on setting link, which is shown on the top right corner of the page. Further, click on data onboarding tab. So, by click on Data Onboarding tab, the following mentioned fields will be displayed. To onboard the data of the teachers, we need to select template as teachers data and select mode as verify. Select year as 2017-18 or on which you want to onboard the data. And after adding all the details, user need to select button download template. So by click on download template button, user will able to see an Excel template where he need to enter the details as login ID, first name, middle name, last name, gender and shift. Here login ID, first name, last name and gender, these are the required field and it need to be filled by the user. It cannot be kept blank and other fields are optional. So after adding all the details, user need to upload this file by click on choose file options. So we will click on choose file option and select the file from our system and upload this file. So once the file is uploaded, user need to select mod as verify and click on import button. So by click on import button, it will validate the data whether the data which is entered in the template is correct or not. If it is found correct, it will show message as successfully validated. And if it is found error, then it will show message as error found. So once the data is validated, user need to select mod as verify and deploy and again need to click on import button. So by doing so, the dataset is added in the application and it will reflect in other applications as well. So this was the process of creating teacher as a user. So now the teacher is created, so we can cross check whether the teacher data is added or not. For this, we need to click on admin application and this screen will be displayed. So here we can type the name of the teacher as which you have created and it will show the name of the teacher in our application. So it is verified that the user which we have created is added in the application. Now, if user want to update or add any data of employee, that is teachers or non-teachers, he need to go to the HR management application. So user will click on HR management application. This field will be displayed to the user. Here, click on setup link shown on the page. So by click on setup link, the grid will be displayed where user need to select data onboarding tab. So by click on data onboarding tab, these fields will be displayed to the user. Here user need to select template as employee data and select mode as verify, select year for which we want to onboard the data and click on download template button. So after click on download template button, user will able to see an Excel template where they need to fill the details as login ID, employee code, staff category, joining date, nature of appointment and departments. So here login ID is a mandatory field and the login ID should be same as we used at the time of creation in admin application. If it is different, it will show message as error. So after adding the details, user need to upload this file by click on choose file option. So here we click on choose file option, select the file from the system. So after selecting the file, user need to click on import button. So once the user click on import button, it will validate the data whether the data which is entered in the template is correct or not. If it is correct, it will show the message as successful validated, and if any error is found, it will show message as error found. So once the data is validated, user need to select mod as verify and deploy, and again need to click on import button. So by click on import button, it will add the dataset into the application, and this data will reflect in other applications as well.